My name is Raymond. I'm in my early 70s, and a few years ago I was diagnosed with transthyretin cardiac amyloidosis, or ATTR-CM. Before my retirement, I enjoyed a 50-year career conducting symphony orchestras and opera productions throughout the United States and many countries abroad. I've always lived a very active lifestyle, regularly exercising and practicing yoga. For several weeks, maybe even months, I started to feel fatigued, excessively fatigued, for no particular reason. I found it hard to carry on with my normal activities, and I was wondering what was going on. Well, then one morning, I went out to take out the trash, and when I came back into the house, I found myself horribly short of breath. I called my doctor, and he told me to get myself to the emergency room. I went, and I spent the next 4 days in a hospital where they were trying to figure out what was happening to me. For the first time in my entire music career, I had to cancel performances. But I was just confused. Why was something like this happening to me? Well, one of the things that was tremendously lucky for me, I had really good doctors who were determined to find out the cause. I was diagnosed with ATTR-CM in 2021, so I've been taking Vyndamax now for about 4 years. Vyndamax is a prescription medicine used to treat adults with cardiomyopathy of wild-type or hereditary transthyretin-mediated amyloidosis, or ATTR-CM, to reduce death and hospitalization related to heart problems. It is not known if Vyndamax is safe and effective in children. My message to you is if you have any unusual symptoms, excessive fatigue, swelling in the legs, shortness of breath, get medical attention. ATTR-CM is a rare progressive condition, and it's important to receive an accurate diagnosis as soon as possible. Learn more about it, and please don't wait. Before taking Vyndamax, tell your healthcare provider about all your medical conditions, including if you have liver problems, are pregnant or plan to become pregnant, are breastfeeding or plan to breastfeed. Tell your healthcare provider about all the medicines you take, including any prescriptions or over-the-counter medicines, vitamins, and herbal supplements. There were no known side effects that happened during treatment with Vyndamax.